Hello, Kevin. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke earlier today, and I told you that I was going to be sending you this screencast, and so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site a little bit, your competitor's site a little bit, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in traffic to your website. So, a lot of times I will send the screencast out, and once business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, that they want to team up. So, if you watch this through and you feel the same, please don't hesitate to reach out. So, here I am on your home page. First off, I will say I like the little slideshow right here. So it looks okay, but as you can tell, there's not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to rank your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. So you actually want to have 1,000 to 1,500 words, at least on this homepage. You actually have 600, oh no, actually you have 408 words. So we definitely want to add more content to your page, and we want that content to be educational, high value, quality content. And so Google's going to read through all of this, and they are going to decide whether or not your content will give their users the information and or the services that they're looking for with ease. And we also want that content to have the right high volume keywords so that we can get you ranked for the right things. And so here I am on Google. The keyword phrase that I'm going to be using is mold remediation Philadelphia. This brings in around 300 searches per month. And so even if you just snag a few of those, you're going to be doing pretty well. So right here at the top, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads are a good way to get your name out there while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up, but they can be a huge money pit if you don't know what you are doing, and they are not going to give you the best return on investment long term. So right here, underneath the ads, we have our Google Map Pack. This is a good place to be. You want to be in one of these top 3 spots. And the way that you do that is through citations. So you want to have as more citations than they have, as many as you can. And a citation is just when your business is listed on a local online directory. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. These are all good examples of highly trusted, highly used directories. And right here, we have our organic search results. So you definitely want to be up here. Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to click on one of these, and they're probably going to click on one towards the top of the page. So right here, the number 1 competitor, since this is the first business, its own website, not a directory. We are looking through their site. You scroll through. You can see that they have, a decent amount of content. I actually did a word search on them, and they have 1,277 words. So that's a good amount of content. And as you can see, they are going for some good keywords as well. But the main way that you're going to get up here are through utilizing backlinks. And backlinks are basically just a shout out from another website. So the web is basically made up of businesses linking to businesses and websites linking to websites. You want to get backlinks from relevant, high-powered sites. So think a local plumbing service or construction company. If they were to give you a shout out, that would be highly valuable for you. And so here, if you ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest you grab this tool. This is Ahrefs.com. It costs me around $400 a month, but it gives you a lot of good information. So I typed in the guy that we were just looking at, and as you can see, he has 284 backlinks from 86 different domains with over 500 organic keywords. So we can actually take a closer look. Here on the left are all of the keywords. And so as you can see that we have New Jersey, Wilmington, so they're all like in the general area. We can kind of see which ones apply to you, which ones here, it will tell us bring in the most volume, so how many people are searching it a month, and we can see how much traffic he gets from this keyword, and we can see what position he holds on Google for this keyword. And so we can go through here, find the ones that bring in the most volume, that are the easiest to get, and that'll help us determine which keywords we want to go for your site. And so the same way that we just looked through the keywords, we can look through the backlinks. So we can go through here, we can snag the backlinks just as we can snag some of the best keywords. You want to get the backlinks with a high DR rating. It goes from 1 to 100. So we can find the best backlinks, get some for your own. So he only has 278, which is not a lot at all, but do keep in mind that we want to outrank all of your competitors for all of the keywords, for all of the services that you provide, especially the ones that provide the most value. But this is a good example of how you can beat out a competitor for a keyword. And although you do want a lot of backlinks, it's definitely quality over quantity, but like I said, you do want a lot of them. And so over here, I actually pulled up your site. You guys have 10 backlinks from 4 different domains and are ranking for one keyword. And that one keyword is Paramount Home Restorations LLC. And as you can see, this only has 30 searches per month, and currently you're not getting any traffic from it. So we should definitely apply all of the things that I just brought up today, which, to recap, are number 1, good quality educational content with the right amount and the right keywords that are going to bring in a lot of traffic. Number 2, we want to get a bunch of good high quality citations to get you on that map pack. And lastly, we want a lot of high powered quality relevant backlinks. So that's what I have for you today. Hopefully you gain something from this video. Whether or not we end up teaming up, I hope that you can put this information to good use. If you do want to team up, though, you can definitely reach out to me. You have my email. But if you want to give me a call, my number is 714-975-5909. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.